Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Startpos switcher for Geometry Dash. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you need to look for Geometry Dash and click the link. Then download and download for Windows or other platforms, whatever you prefer. Then wait for download process is done and install God if you haven't already. Press install, next, agree, next, install, and wait for a couple of seconds. After it's done, press next, finish, and load up Geometry Dash. And wait for a couple of seconds to load up, of course. Once is load up, then what you need to do here is to, again, I need to wait. And then you need to press on this icon here. Then search mods, download, search mods, and then write Startpos switcher, get, install, and wait for a couple of seconds until it's installed, and then press restart now. And after restart, go to God, then go to Startpos switcher, press view, and then here you should see a gear icon. And then as you can see here, I need to press Q to basically previous Startpos, and next Startpos is E. You can modify, of course, here. And so let's go to a simply create, and then just play the game here. And as you can see here, if I press Q, I on the next pose, and if I press E, if I Q, I'm on previous, and E, I'm with the next one. Right, so yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.